I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a credit card to your Payoneer account for transfers, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Before changing your settings, use the *con link in the description to open the password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. This is where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, look for the payment methods section. Click on it to view your current payment options and to add a new credit card. Step 4. Add your credit card information. Click on the Add Credit Card button and fill in the required fields, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as incorrect information can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your card details, review everything for accuracy and click the Save button. You may receive a verification email to confirm the addition of your card. That's it. You should now have your credit card linked to your Payoneer account for transfers. If you run into any issues, double check the card details you entered. Happy transferring!